There's no doubt that entertainers are among the richest people in the world, and dancehall artists are no less. They are holding their own among the best in the world, and they are getting their share of the pie. In this video, I will show you the top 12 richest dancehall artists in Jamaica and their network. Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is a glimpse of Jamaica, where you get all things Jamaican about Jamaica and its people. So, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and remember to like and share this video, and also turn on the post notification bell so you will not miss any of the other exciting videos I have in store for you. Coming in at number 12, we have Mr. Vegas. Yes, he was born Clifford Smith, and Mr. Vegas started his musical career in 1997 at the age of 23. He released albums like Sweet Jamaica and Reggae Max. He is a very prolific and lively entertainer. Mr. Vegas is also an actor and has made his name in the local acting scene. His estimated net value is $1.2 million US. Coming in at number 11, we have Garcia Steps, who we all know as Conscience. Some of his hit singles include Winner, Gala Bubble, and Rasta Imposter. And this means money. He is one of those high swagging Jamaican entertainer, and he's well known across the world. He has also started his new line of footwear. His estimated net value is $1.5 million US. Coming in at number 10, we have Erlan Barkley, aka Alkaline. He is one of the most popular dancehall artists. He started his musical career as a teenager, and he has hit singles upon hit singles, and he's always on tour. His net value is estimated at about US $1.7 million. At number 9, we have Andre Sutherland, aka Popcorn. Popcorn was born in St. Thomas, Jamaica, and he grew up in Portmore. He started his musical career in 2007 when he approached Vybz Kartel, and as they say, the rest is history. Popcorn's estimated net worth is approximately US $2.1 million. At number 8, we have Glendale Garden, Mr. Busy Signal. Busy was born in St. Anne, Jamaica. His singing career began to shine in 2003. His estimated net worth is about US $3 million. Number 7, we have Rodney Price, Mr. Bounty Killer himself. Bounty is a veteran DJ and is regarded as one of the most influential artists in dancehall music today. He is responsible for the career of some of dancehall greatest like Movado, Busy Signal, and Vybz Kartel. Bounty has an estimated net worth of about US $3 million. At number 6, Mr. Moses Davis comes in, aka Beanie Man. Beanie Man rose to stardom in the early 1990s. The Zim Zimmer artist has hit singles like Who Am I, King of the Dancehall, and The Gal Dem Sugar. His estimated net worth is US $4 million. At number 5, we have the Gargamel himself, Mark Anthony Myrie, aka Buju Banton. The Gargamel, as he is called, is one of the biggest selling reggae artists in the world. Some of his greatest hits are like Destiny, Untold Stories, and Wanna Be Loved. His estimated net worth is 4.2 million US dollars. At number 4, we have Mr. Adidja Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel. Vybz was born in Kingston, Jamaica. His musical career took off as a teenager in 1993. His first single was Love Fat Woman. He has a host of his singles and is the most trending Jamaican artist, although he is incarcerated at this moment. He still pushes out records frequently. His estimated net worth is US $6.6 million. Coming in at number 3, we have Mr. David Brooks, aka Mavado. Mavado was mentored by Bounty Killer from an early age of about 15 years. His debut album, Gangsta for Life, was a hit. His estimated net worth is US $7 million. At number 2, we have the great Sean Paul Ryan Henriquez, who we all know as Sean Paul. Sean Paul is the most internationally successful dancehall artist. His Dirty Rock album sold over 6 million copies. He's also a Grammy awardee. He has collabed with megastars like Beyonce, Rihanna, and Estelle, just to name a few. His estimated net worth is US $12 million. And rounding off the list at number 1, we have Mr. Orville Richard Burrell. Yes, Shaggy. Shaggy is one of music's top selling artists. He is one of music's greatest. His Hot Shot album sold over 20 million copies worldwide. This album peaked at number 1 on the Billboard chart in the US and the UK. Shaggy has now branched off into acting, and he is also a philanthropist. His estimated net worth is 22 million US dollars. So there you have it. If you did not see your favorite dancehall artist on the list and you think they should be on the list, just comment it below. As I said before, I cannot guarantee 100% accuracy of this list, so I might have missed someone who should be on the list. So go ahead, feel free to comment below and list if you have information that I wasn't privy to. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.